Howdy YouTube, Eznix here, wishing you a Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas, however you like it. I have a special ISO released just for Christmas this year. So it's based on Cinnamon. It's the Ezarcher Cinnamon Edition, Christmas Edition, or Xmas Edition, as the ISO is named. And I did a couple things differently. One, I'm just releasing one ISO, and two, I've actually themed the desktop. So instead of Cinnamon's boring no background and Adwaita theme, we now have background set and the Materia Dark Compact theme and the Papyrus icon set enabled. So here's what it looks like. We'll take it full screen right now, get a better look. There you go. I know my face will be covering some of this screen, but hopefully it'll be good, be better than windowed, of course. So take a look around. You can see the theme is properly applied. This ISO is up on SourceForge right now. The template on the ISO is just for this edition of Cinnamon. So you can get the December 24th templates and package build files on SourceForge, and I also updated the archive.org repos to include the newest templates, package files, docs. I don't think there have been any changes to docs, but I did update the date of the TAR packages. The install scripts, the install guides have been updated very slightly. I include one extra Xorg package, Xorg-Xhost, just in case someone needs it. It's a tiny little package, but it can come in handy in certain situations under Wayland. I haven't really needed it, but if you do, it's there in the ISO now. The Cinnamon Christmas Edition, and I guess Cinnamon's a good popular release for me. It usually gets pretty good downloads, and it is set as the primary download button on SourceForge now. I'm not uploading it to archive.org. You can only get it on SourceForge. So if you go to sourceforge.net, do a search for Ezarcher. The project comes up right there. And you can see updated 32 minutes ago. Yes, I'm making this video as soon as ISO populated on the SourceForge download site here. So it's under Xmas ISO. We have the ISO uploaded 1 hour ago. 3.1 gigs. According to SourceForge, it's about 2.8 if you're just looking at most file systems calculation based on the number of bytes instead of 1000, 1024 will give you different results for the size. And its own MD5 sum, just in case, that isn't necessary. But you can check what SourceForge thinks it is against what I thought it was when I built it. So if that's useful, it's there. So you can see the download button is pointing directly to this ISO. Cinnamon recently updated to 6.6. They had a little bit of teething pain with the 6.6 release. And I believe Christmas Day, the 25th today, they pushed out a bunch of new packages. So I believe I built the ISO with the latest. We can take a little check here. And let's see, let's make it a little bigger and do a sudo pacman syu. The live environment password is live for the user. And there is one update already to XApp. So Cinnamon moves quickly, Arch moves quickly. I build an ISO and within an hour, there's an update. That's the way it is. So you're getting a very up-to-date system if you download it today. You have very little to do in terms of updates once it's installed. I wish I caught the XApp symbolic icons, but I didn't. There'll be more today probably as well. That's what I get for building it early in the day. So we're not going to run the update, of course. If we take a look around, Cinnamon 6.6 has a new menu style, which I've just seen because this is the first time I'm running Cinnamon 6.6. So system settings are right here, pulled out conveniently for you. Under themes, you can see the Materia Dark Compact is set. The preview still doesn't work for most of them. I don't know why. Must be a Cinnamon thing. Materia Dark is the desktop setting. And under backgrounds, I just went with one of the simple built-in Gnome backgrounds, this fold image. So nothing specific to Ezarcher, just specific to Cinnamon background selections. I do include the background, the lava lamp background. You can go and grab that from the backgrounds if you wish. We'd have to add a location, computer, USR, what is it, share, and I believe if we just sort this, backgrounds, lava lamp, well, we'd open the share folder, the backgrounds folder, and there you go. So you can set it to Ezarcher right on the live CD. One nice thing that LightDM does is if you log out and log back in, whatever desktop you have setting becomes the background for the LightDM login manager as well. And all of the programs, the usual suspects basically, are all here. No changes there. The Easy Maint program, your little bash-based text 2E interface maintenance program I built for Ezarcher, and all of the goodies that come with my Ezarcher system. So hope you like it. Hope you enjoy your Christmas. Let's get back to windowed screen here. And that's about it, folks. I had to do that so I can gain control back to OBS to end this video. So Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. Take care. Stay safe. You'll see me in another video at some point, probably next year. Bye-bye, folks.